This is the wiring diagram for the electrical circuit of the higher window AC. In this diagram, this is the main PCB. This is the PCB display, the compressor, the fan motor, and this is the air swing motor. The important wire connections in this diagram are as follows. The live wire L goes to the terminal 3 of the relay in PCB main. The live wire returns from the relay terminal 4 to the running terminal R of the compressor through the run capacitor. 3. The yellow wire from the run capacitor goes into the starting terminal S of the compressor. 4. The neutral wire N goes to the main PCB terminal P7 and returns from the terminal P6 to the common terminal C of the compressor. The supply goes to the fan motor from the inbuilt connections of the main PCB. Now we will see step-by-step working of the electrical circuit. As the main switch MCB is switched on, the current flows from the neutral wire N to the terminal P7 of the PCB main, energizing the PCB.